Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw funds from a rollover IRA at Betterment, complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw funds from a rollover IRA at Betterment, start by logging into your Betterment account. Navigate to your account dashboard to locate your rollover IRA. Select your rollover IRA account from the list of accounts displayed. Click on the transfer or withdraw option available in your account menu. Choose the type of withdrawal you wish to make, whether it be a full withdrawal or a partial withdrawal. If you select a partial withdrawal, specify the amount you want to withdraw. Review the tax implications associated with your withdrawal to understand any potential penalties. Proceed to confirm your identity by answering any security questions, if prompted. Choose your preferred method of receiving the funds, which may include a bank transfer or a check. Carefully review all the details of your withdrawal request to ensure accuracy. Submit your withdrawal request once you have confirmed all the information. You will receive a confirmation notification once your request has been processed. Keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your withdrawal status. Funds may take several business days to appear in your designated account, depending on the withdrawal method selected. Ensure you check your bank account or mailbox to confirm the receipt of the funds. If you encounter any issues during the withdrawal process, reach out to Betterment's customer support for assistance. Follow any additional instructions provided by Betterment to complete your transaction. Finally, maintain records of your withdrawal for future reference, especially for tax purposes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.